Hello friends, let's see how to change or to replace the battery of Toyota Auris car key. So here you can press it and take out the key, and with the help of the key you can little bit tilt and try to open that. Now you can pull it and try to separate. So it is a little bit hard, but you can pull it and get the two separate parts. Now you can see the battery is inside that black, so you have to click it. You'll hear the two click sound and you can remove it by your hand itself. Now when you try to remove this battery, it's not easy, so I just use one plucker to take it out. Now you can replace that battery with a new one, and you can just have to place at the spot and press it. So even though it looks that it has not went well, but it's fine, it goes well. And when you put it, the black cover on top of it back, it will push the battery inside. Now you can put the cover back to it. And now you are ready with the new battery for your car key. So here you go.